How to log into Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how we can log into your Amazon account so you can start shopping or managing your orders. So let's just get started. First of all, open up the Amazon website by typing amazon.com in your browser. Alternatively, you can also use the Amazon app on your mobile device. After you have successfully reached the home page of the Amazon, look up for the sign up option. On the top right corner, you can find it right here. So now you'll be prompted to enter the email address or your mobile phone number associated with your Amazon account. Enter the information and click on continue. Next, enter your password. Make sure it is the one associated with your Amazon account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password section and link to reset it. Once you've entered your email and your password, click on the sign in button, and if you have any kind of two-step verification enabled on your account, Amazon will send you a security code to your email or your phone. Enter that code to complete the login process. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to Amazon account dashboard where you can browse products and view your orders and manage your settings. And that is it. Now you can know how you can log in into Amazon account. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more tutorials.